Are you very busy today, David?
Yes, I have many clients.
What time do you finish work?
I usually finish at 6.
That is very good. How long will the case take, Mike?
It will take a few weeks.
Do I have to come again?
Yes, you have to come next week. Who is helping Emma today?
David is helping Emma.
Can I get a copy of the contract?
Yes, you can get a copy.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, you can pay with a card.
What is the case about?
It is about a work issue.
What is the problem, Mary?
I have a problem with my landlord.
Can you tell me more about it?
He does not give my money back.
Where do I sign?
You sign here on the line.
Is the lawyer in the office?
Yes, the lawyer is inside. Where can I sit?
You can sit in the waiting area.
What documents do you need?
I need your ID and form.
Did you bring the papers, John?
Yes, I brought all the documents.
Can I see your contract, please?
Of course, here it is.
Are we finished for today, Paul?
Yes, that is all for now.
Can I call you if I need help?
Yes, of course you can. Where is the lawyer's office?
It is on the second floor.
Who is the lawyer today?
The lawyer is John.
Who is the client waiting in the lobby?
The client is Mary.
What time is the meeting?
The meeting is at 10 a.m. Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I have an appointment.
How long is the meeting?
It is 20 minutes.
Do you have an appointment, Tom?
Yes, I have one at 10 o'clock.
Who would you like to see?
I would like to see the lawyer. Can I help you, Anna?
Yes, I have a meeting today.
Would you like to take a seat?
Yes, thank you very much.
When is my next meeting, Kate?
It is on Monday morning.
Should I bring anything?
Yes, please bring your ID card.
Is the lawyer busy now?
Yes, he is very busy.
Can I speak with the assistant?
Yes, you can. Please come this way.
Can you send the email today?
Yes, I can send it today.
Is the office open on Saturday?
No, it is closed on Saturday.
How much does it cost, Emma?
It costs 200 euros.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card.
Do you need a translator?
No, I don't need a translator.
When is the next meeting?
It is next Monday.
What should I do now, Lisa?
You should write a letter first.
Can you help me with it?
Yes, I can help you today.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome to Miller & Associates. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have an appointment. My name is Emma.
Ah, Emma. Yes, I see it here. Do you have an appointment, Emma?
Yes, I have one at 10 o'clock.
Excellent. Just to confirm, who would you like to see today?
I would like to see the lawyer, Mr. Miller.
Mr. Miller is a bit busy right now, but I'm John, his legal assistant. I can help you get started. Our office is on the second floor. You found it perfectly. Would you like to take a seat?
Yes, thank you very much. This is my first time here, so it's all a bit new.
No worries at all. So, Emma, what is the problem? Can you tell me a little bit about why you're here?
Yes, I have a problem with my landlord.
Oh, I see. Can you tell me more about it?
He does not give my money back. It's my security deposit, you know.
Ah, that's a common issue, unfortunately. Did you bring the papers, Emma? Any documents related to your tenancy or the deposit?
Yes, I brought all the documents. I have the contract and some emails.
Great. Can I see your contract, please? That's usually the most important document.
Of course, here it is. I hope it's all in order.
Thank you. Let me just take a quick look. Okay, this looks clear. What documents do you need, you might ask? Well, for today, mostly just this and your ID. Do you have your ID with you?
Yes, I have my ID card right here. So, what should I do now, John?
Well, we should start by sending a formal letter to your landlord. You should write a letter first, explaining the situation clearly.
A letter? Oh, can you help me with it? I'm not sure what to write.
Yes, I can help you today. We can draft one together. It's a good first step. The lawyer, Mr. Miller, is still in a meeting, but he will join us soon to review everything. Is the lawyer in the office, you asked? Yes, he is inside.
That's a relief. How long is the meeting usually? My appointment was for 10 a.m. already.
Yes, the meeting is at 10 a.m., that's correct. It is 20 minutes for the initial consultation, but sometimes things run a little over. He's very busy right now, so we appreciate your patience. Is the lawyer busy now? Yes, he is very busy, but I assure you, you will get your time.
Okay, I understand. I'm just eager to get this resolved. Do you think I need a translator for this case?
From what I hear, your English is excellent, Emma. No, I don't need a translator for our discussions. If we proceed to court, we can discuss it then, but for now, it's not necessary.
Thank you. That's good to know. So, when Mr. Miller joins us, where do I sign the papers or the agreement?
He will explain everything. You sign here on the line, usually at the bottom of the document, but we're not at that stage yet.
Right. Of course. Just thinking ahead. How long will the case take, do you think? From beginning to end?
For a landlord dispute like this, if it goes smoothly, it will take a few weeks, sometimes longer if there are complications, but we aim for quick resolutions.
A few weeks, okay. Do I have to come again for another meeting, or can we do everything by email?
Yes, you have to come next week for a follow-up. We'll need to discuss the letter we send, and Mr. Miller will want to meet with you directly for the next steps. When is the next meeting? It is next Monday, if that works for you.
Next Monday? That sounds fine. Should I bring anything specific for that meeting?
Yes, please bring your ID card again, and any new communication you might have had with your landlord. Maybe a notepad, too.
Got it. ID, new communication, notepad. Can I get a copy of the contract once we've finalized everything today?
Yes, you can get a copy of anything we create or discuss. We always provide copies for our clients, no problem at all.
That's good to know. How much does it cost, John, for your services?
For the initial consultation and drafting that letter, it costs €200. We have a clear fee structure.
€200. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can pay by card. We accept all major credit and debit cards. We also accept bank transfers if you prefer.
Perfect. Card is easiest for me. What is the case about, by the way? Is it strictly a work issue, or can it be anything?
What is the case about? Yours, of course, is about a landlord issue, but we handle many types of cases. Some are about work issues, some are family matters, some are property disputes. We cover a broad range.
I see. It's good to know you cover different things. Are you very busy today, John? You seem to be doing a lot of things at once.
Yes, I have many clients today, Emma. It's a typical busy Monday, but I'm always happy to help. We value every client.
You do seem very efficient. What time do you finish work? I imagine long days.
I usually finish at 6 o'clock, sometimes a bit later if there's an urgent case, but I try to stick to that time.
6 o'clock. Wow. So, once we finish drafting the letter, can you send the email today to my landlord?
Yes, I can send it today. As soon as Mr. Miller approves it, it will go out. We'll make sure to get it done quickly.
Excellent. And just one more question about office hours. Is the office open on Saturday, in case I need to pop by?
No, it is closed on Saturday. We're open Monday to Friday from 9 to 6, but you can always call us or send an email if you have urgent questions over the weekend.
That's good to know. So, when is my next meeting? Just to be totally clear with the exact time.
Your next meeting, Emma, is on Monday morning at 9:30 a.m. That gives us a good start to the week.
Perfect. Okay, John, I think I have all my questions answered for now. Are we finished for today?
Yes, that is all for now, Emma. We've covered a lot. I'll get this letter ready and we'll see you next Monday. Feel free to wait a moment if you want to meet Mr. Miller briefly, or you're free to go.
Thank you so much, John. You've been very helpful. Can I call you if I need help or if I have another question before next week?
Yes, of course you can. Please don't hesitate to call our main number and ask for me, or send an email. We are here to help you every step of the way.
Great. Thanks again, John. Have a good rest of your day.
You too, Emma. We'll be in touch soon. Goodbye for now.